mold and mildew off of a brick wall just using hot water, no chemicals, and not a lot of pressure. Pounds of pressure, but as you can see, the hot water really is key in pulling this mold right off.
Hello, I'm James Herbert with Envirowash. We're here at the United Daughters of the Confederacy building. This is one of the properties that we've washed and restored. We did a light, mild detergent wash on this building. Everything we use is environmentally safe and does not take away from the historical value of the property in any way.
Here the restoration product has been applied to the white iron ore brick, and we're taking real low pressure, very hot water, and just pulling all that carbon off.
You can reach us at www.envirowashinc.com or 804-744-2974. Thank you.